Hi people! Welcome back to my blog. For today's video, we're diving into the intensity of Hell Week. As you can see at my face, I'm so stressed, but we're fighting. And our first sub in here is Earthsai, and our teacher gave an assignment that we make a models of relative dating. And you can see that on my previous video. And this is my members reporting for our group, and they did a very great job. And by the way guys, sorry for my voice. Kagagaling ko lang kasi sa lagnat and hindi pa ako masyadong magaling. At ito po yung view ko tuwing hapon, and for me it was so refreshing. Well, lagi ko siya nakikita pero hindi naman siya nakakasawang tingnan. Huy! Ba't naman nagpaparinig ang person? Huy! Sana matamaan ka na. Ayun, nakikinig lang kami sa lessons habang pasulap-sulap sa kanya. Huy! Ba't naman ang sumusulap? Hindi pa naman kami masyadong busy dyan dahil sa, nagla-lesson pa lang naman sila ma'am. And malayo pa naman yung exam, so may panahon pa tayong magmuni-muni. Tapos sa mga susunod na araw, nagka-cram na ako. Huy! And by the way, that's our last subject at that day. And ayan, papasok na naman tayo sa school. Just walking because malapit lang naman ang bahay natin sa school. So, maglakad tayo para ma-exercise din naman. Kasi minsan lang naman ako lumabas. And also, at that day, pictorial din namin for our class picture. And this is us retouching para maganda tayo mamaya and fresh. Kasi syempre, makakatabi natin siya. Huy! Kailangan maganda tayo. Huy! And this is our PERDEV subject. And nagre-reaction lang kami for our travel vlogs na project namin sa PERDEV. And ayun, back to reality tayo. Aral-aral na, sulat-sulat na. Syempre, malapit na yung exam that day. Kailangan na natin mag-aral.
Context. How about you? What do you think about the questions they made?
So I have defended my dreams. Wow, very good. 50!
Reviewer mo to sa ano ko. Kasi inaasa mo.
Okay, yung lesson ko today is for you for that exam. And hindi na kaya.
Kailangan ang name ng Mesozoic era, of course, because of the fossils na nakuha during that time. So it's fossils of something that are different. The silica or sige, pwede kung nilagay niya yung elements, silicon and plus oxygen. Silicon plus oxygen pa.
Ilang notes ko? 5 kape? May 2?